Hi, it's Gadget UK here again. This is an interesting piece of history. I never knew these existed. A Konami branded Super Famicom controller, command controller. It's got a lot of buttons on it, and straight away here, there's a few weird things. Program, special, real time, a couple of LEDs. So I'm guessing the program there, you probably can program sequences and things and assign them to these numbered buttons. I guess you've got the shoulder buttons and stuff. It looks very similar to the original Famicom and SNES controllers. It's a bit grey, it's a bit yellowed. I was going to say greyed. It's kind of gone a dark grey, but yeah, I'm not going to bother retrobriting that. It seems pretty good condition, really. And all the prints are pretty good on it. It's described as faulty, so before I do anything, I was going to say I might give it a test. I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to strip it down and clean it, I think. We'll have a look at the insides. It's going to be just the same as every other controller you've probably seen before on my channel, but yeah, I mean, it could be a damaged cable, but I suspect it's just going to be dirty buttons. So I've got the screws out there. They were incredibly tight, probably been machine tightened or something at manufacture. Have a look at that, a nice little Konami quad flat pack on there. That's a Konami chip as well. Winbond. I'm guessing that could be ROM. I'm not sure. So we've got some sort of MCU, there's going to be a little microcontroller going on here, which I guess makes sense. You're going to need something like that to handle the programming and stuff. Separate little PCBs there for those buttons and stuff. So if we just pull this out, let's just get the cable relief part out of there. Is there any screws? I don't see any screws holding the board in. No, it's just coming straight out, I think. Yeah, got to be careful because of the shoulder bits here, you can see attached on these wires, so I probably need to pull those little boards out as well. But yeah, it's looking nice. There's a couple of caps there, might need to swap those out. Is that a super cap? I think it is. That might be the fault on this. It looks alright. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a super cap. It looks just like it, and obviously we've got the membranes. It's not leaked. You'd think that if that had leaked, you'd be able to see it here, but yeah, I can clean up all the contacts on these. Let's just inspect them. They look alright. Yeah, I think it's just going to be a clean-up job, this, unless maybe the cable's damaged. Yeah, that looks alright. That looks like a standard Famicom, slash PC Engine silicon, so you could swap that out if there was a problem there. The buttons might be a bit more problematic, but yeah, they look alright. None of them are worn or anything. So, just the usual thing, gentle wipe, and then just dry them off. And the shoulder buttons as well. And the buttons as usual, just a gentle wipe with IPA and then just dry them off. Same with these D-pads and the main button thing. Can you see that there? Can you see that's what you want to level off? Can you see it's like it's got a pattern from the PCB? You want to just try and smooth that down a little bit just to level it, and chances are it will work good as new when you're done. You don't want to rub too much of the carbonised type surface off there. It's like a conductive carbon based thing. So I've got all the clean silicon bits back in there now. I just need to just slide the PCB back in. So it was just a dirty connector actually. I got some WD-40 into the connector and just plugged it and plugged it several times, and then it just sprung to life. Prior to that LED was not coming on when you first plugged it in, but the wire's not the problem. You can move the wire all over the place, and it stays, as you can see, off. So yeah, I've looked out with that. There are a few of these on eBay at the moment. I'm tempted to get another one actually, but yeah, let's see what these buttons do. So the way this works is you press the program button, press a button, do your sequence, whatever that is, I've just done that, press program again, and then whenever you press that button, show you, it just made me jump on the screen. I was trying to do like a fireball or something, but I cocked it up. I press, where's it gone? Press that button now, you'll see he's doing that. So you can do a sequence of controls will, see he's going to the right hand side there. That works when he presses the 4 button. So that's quite cool, especially for games like this. But then again, you have to set up all your moves, of the buttons in advance. But it's still a really nice controller there. A nice piece of history, really, and it's it's great. It's Konami branded and stuff. I've never seen anything like that. I'm actually finding this controller easier to use than the normal SNES pad. Actually, it's really sensitive. and responsive. Normally I don't play very well at this game, but I've flown through the first 3 rounds. So the amazing thing with this, it actually holds the things you've programmed. So I guess that's what the super cap's for. It still seems to work. It's not leaked or anything. So, but yeah, I think it's a nice controller. So what the real-time button does, I'm playing R-Type at the moment. If I hit the B button, I fire. If I press real-time, puts it in real-time programming mode, press the button, and then I press a button, press a button, press a button, so like 3 fires with a gap in between, of a second or so, and then press the real-time button again. That button then does exactly what I just did in real time, so you get the delays. It's not just a sequential thing. So if you use program, obviously it just do 3 fires repeatedly, 3 fires in quick succession. With the real-time thing, it'll remember the gaps in time, in between me pressing the combination of things I've done, which is really weird. I can perhaps show you that on the screen now if I can. So if I press real-time, then a button, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, press the button, let's just see what happens now. Yeah, do you see that now? As I press 4, if it stops me moving, I can't do anything, but it does that same pattern in real time without me pressing anything. So yeah, that's quite cool as well. I can't think where I'd use it. It's one of those, it sounds like it's a great idea, but there's probably a few places you want to use these sorts of functions really, other than in things like Art of Fighting and Street Fighter. So the one thing I'm not sure about is what the special button does. I can't seem to get it to do anything. It doesn't seem to be one of the programmable buttons. It could be, because I'll show you, if I press program and you press one of these, it goes solid to show you it's in programming mode, whereas you press that one, nothing. I'm wondering if it's used in conjunction with these, maybe to reset the program or something like that. And I don't see an auto fire function. Maybe you can use this to auto fire or something, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's capable of auto fire. So if anybody knows what that special button does, please let me know in the comments below. But I thought you'd find that interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.